Lecture on the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, Part 2, Non-Killing. Dear Dharma friends, welcome to this episode of the podcast provided by the Buddha's Practice Incorporated of Australia. Today, we continue our exploration of the Sutra of the 10 Wholesome Deeds, focusing on the Buddha's teaching on non-killing. The Buddha taught, if one abstains from killing, one will achieve 10 ways of being free from affliction. What are these 10? First, by not killing, we grant all beings freedom from fear, which is equivalent to offering the gift of fearlessness. The Buddha's teaching on cause and effect tells us that what we give to others, we receive in return. If we often feel fear, it may be due to the heavy karma of past killing. By choosing not to kill, we create a safe and fearless environment for all beings. Second, not killing fosters a heart of great compassion toward all beings. When we sincerely wish for others to be happy, the thought of harming or killing naturally does not arise. Third, abstaining from killing allows us to permanently eliminate the habit of anger and hatred. With compassion constantly present, resentment has no opportunity to arise. Fourth, the body healthy and free from illness. By naturally create the conditions for physical well-being, not killing keeps the body healthy and free from illness. By refraining from harming others, we naturally create the conditions for physical well-being. Fifth, not killing brings the fruit of a long life. Protecting the lives of others sows the seeds for our own longevity. Sixth, those who abstain from killing are constantly protected by non-human beings, such as guardian deities. Seventh, not killing ensures peaceful sleep, free from nightmares. Eighth, abstaining from killing dissolves resentment and resolves many grudges. The act of killing creates deep-seated enmity that is most difficult to resolve. However, by using compassion to alleviate the suffering of others, these knots of resentment naturally unravel. When we genuinely aspire to bring happiness and relieve others' pain, our hearts remain filled with joy, and the resentments accumulated over lifetimes can gradually dissolve. Ninth, not killing frees us from the fear of falling into the lower realms. 10th, those who abstain from killing are reborn in heavenly realms at the end of life. By firmly resolving never to kill and thoroughly protecting all beings' lives, we cultivate the merit for rebirth in the heavens. This single wholesome deed brings such profound rewards. The Buddha further taught that if we dedicate the merit of non-killing to turn towards the highest perfect illumination, Anuttara Samyak Sambodhi, we will, upon attaining Buddhahood, to live as long as one wishes. Dear friends, may we encourage one another to uphold the practice of non-killing, dissolve enmity, and progress toward Buddhahood. Thank you for listening.